Okay, so I've made some new small little cool simulations, and I'll start off with saying remember the links so you can test out and look at them for your own. They're in the description. So if you want to test one of these two versions that I'm going to show, then the links are in the description so you can play with these um, simulations. The first one here was I made a couple of days ago, and I also uploaded it to my site, but it wasn't really much, so I didn't want to make an announcement or making a video about it. But right here you can left click and drag to add particles, and they look kind of boring to me. You can add or look, you can kind of attract the particles to the mouse if you hold the uh, right click mouse button, and if you press R, then you just reset the particles, so clear them out, and if you press G, then you can apply gravity, and if you press it again, then you can disable it. But this was the first version. It kinda needed a lot of effects, so it kinda looks more fun and not more realistic, but I can't say that, but so it looks more fun. So I just finished up the second version, and it's bigger too, and you've got some um, new features too. So you can do the same here, left click and drag to create some particles, and you can see at the same time that these look different. They have a fading effect, and you can right click and attract them to the mouse, and you can really see that they've got some effects on them. And also you can apply gravity. Just look at that. That looks just amazing. And I just disable it. You can press P to toggle the pull area of to the where the mouse pulls them, and it turns blue when you're holding the right click, and it's red when you're not holding the right click. You can switch anti-aliasing by press A, and I actually, if my computer just handles the program better with anti-aliasing on, which is kind of weird, but yeah, that's just my computer. Then you can press S to pause and unpause the simulation, and you'll also see when you pause the simulation the fading stops, and that's because they aren't moving, so you can't get any motion blur, and that's easy enough to say, or that's easy enough to understand. And yeah, I saw in the comments of the other video with the trees that I should make a little firework thingy. Um, I just discovered that if you create some particles down here, rotate them a little, and just keep spawning them and rotating and attracting them, and then dragging them out to the other corner, then they explode, kind of firework-ish. Or probably not, but it looks cool. And also when you clear the particles here, they kind of fade out too. and that's because of the, you can also see that the attraction point here kinda fading following the mouse. It's because of this graphics surface that I'm using. It's kind of changed. The buffered graphics is changed. So we can just make another one and make it explode. Yeah, and I think it looks awesome. You can, as I said, check them out. The links are in the description. You can also give me some new ideas to what I make. I'll probably upload the source code at some point too. I just need to have the time and finish up my website, and then I will upload a new bunch of stuff with some source code too, because everybody likes getting free source code. But yeah, tell me what you think. I really appreciate it, and of course by leaving a comment or rate. And hey, if you like my stuff and you just discovered this video, then you can always subscribe. See ya.